That's a paper. That's a high-end paper. Kind of like a fabric, to be honest. It's a matte finish. It's going to be very fingerprint resistant. It's fairly pleasing to touch. The color is also nice, this kind of pastel green.
I quite enjoy the feeling of this type of new material.
And this one we have is powered by the 8th Gen 1, literally the latest and greatest from Qualcomm, literally just announced about a couple of months ago in December in Hawaii.
The processor is also supported by a stainless steel vapor cooling system to help keep the temperatures down.
3216 pixels by 1440 for an effective PPI of 525. It is a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate display, and it has Gorilla Glass Victus on it.
But we have another world's first, in the form of a 2K flat AMOLED display with LTPO 2.0 technology, so adaptive from 1 to 120 Hz.
Realme embodies the constant pursuit of greater. For the GT2 Pro, the experience you get from the display is truly greater than you see. Why just stare at a screen when you can lose yourself in a new reality? With the 2K Super AMOLED display, you can experience visuals more true to life. But what's a great display without great color? Enjoy the 1 billion color display with professional grade color accuracy. A lifelike color expression right here. Can it also be smart? Powered by the latest LTPO 2.0 technology, it intelligently selects the optimal refresh rate anywhere from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, ensuring a smoother display with outstanding energy efficiency. This is what a greater display is meant to be. Say hello to the 2K Super Reality display on the GT2 Pro. It's greater than you see. Greater than you see. Realme GT2 series.
Did you know? Just looking at a static screen on your phone is straining your battery. Most smartphones will keep firing at 120 Hz refresh rate, even when you switch from scrolling the screen to looking at photos. Realme focuses on the user's on-screen content. As a result, a fast-adapting, more intelligent, and energy-efficient LTPO 2.0 display will be used in upcoming products. So what's the secret behind this LTPO 2.0 display included in Realme GT2 Pro? It has super smooth adaptiveness. LTPO 2.0 knows when you're gaming, you need a higher refresh rate than when you are looking at pictures. And the refresh rate automatically adjusts for any content between 1 to 120 Hz in just 75 milliseconds in order to make those changes imperceptible. It also has top-level intelligence. High refresh rate provides a smooth user experience, but intelligent adaptation keeps your battery from being drained. Being able to jump between usage scenarios with your phone picking which refresh rate works best is like going to a restaurant where the server always knows what you want before you say it, and the chef knows how to cook it perfectly to your taste. It just works and it saves you tons of time. It's ridiculously energy efficient. When refresh rates are higher, more power is consumed. If you're stuck at a high refresh rate, that's tons of wasted power. With LTPO 2.0 means you get access to the entire spectrum of refresh rate and has dynamic adaptation. This reduces power consumption by 50% and extends your battery life by 1.7 hours on average. In short, GT2 Pro in the industry's first 2K flat display with LTPO 2.0, which is the top-notch Android flat display that's fast adapting, more intelligent, and energy efficient.
Driven by our spirits of dare to lead, we have become the world's 6th largest smartphone brand in just 37 months and with the trust of over 100 million smartphone users.
Change happens all around us. But is it changing for the better? Rebirth starts with a single piece of paper. Observe it. The touch sparks creativity a screen cannot replicate. Turn it over. The friction of finger against page fuels our inspiration.
電子機器というとクールで冷たい印象があると思いますが、温かみのある印象に変わったらいいなと思いました。
It is more than an experiment for us, but a link to discover a sustainable future design for younger generations. We strive to find the right material, eco-friendly, clean, minimal environmental impact.
We are able to develop products which have the same performance as materials from fossil-based sources, which means they meet the highest standards. As compared to fossil-based alternatives, our materials offer similar performance, but they do provide a 2 kilogram CO2 reduction per kilogram of our alkaline material.
Engraved, melted, painted, and etched into its essence, refined by the burning embers of the mind, paper awakens reborn.
纸就是纸，它既不是玻璃，也不是金属，它有自己独特的质感。我们经过上百种组合验证，最终在生物基材料上雕刻出5612条纹理，并在表面加入特殊触感的水晶粉材料，极致地呈现出纸应该有的样子。
And this is just the beginning. With Realme, we are entering a new era, where less is more, nature is our partner. And the pursuit of greatness leads our way to a better future, greater than you see. Realme GT2 series. We explore to leap forward to a world of sustainability. We experiment to bring the original volume to a new life. We redefine one piece of paper by finally fitting it onto the new Realme GT2 series.
Greater. It's a powerful concept that has always inspired humankind. It drives us to take on challenges, explore new ideas, and discover a better world.
Realme 是带着一种使命的，我们走的每一步都是在践行敢越界的精神。用户是一切的出发点，一个产品就是一次我们和消费者之间的对话。筹备做旗舰机的时候，我们就在思考，一部旗舰手机，它除了拥有强大的性能，还能怎样做到更好呢？
Protecting the environment is a priority we share with our customers. So we used SABIC's bio-based polymer and worked with Naoto Fujisawa to create a design inspired by a natural material, paper. After 12 months of R&D, over 60 prototypes, and more than 1,000 hours of color testing, we found the perfect balance between form, texture, and color.
When it comes to performance, our consumers expect a premium experience, not just specifications that look good on paper. So we made enhancements to both the screen and CPU to make the GT series as powerful and innovative as possible. We took the industry-leading 2K AMOLED flat display and fine-tuned it so expertly that it obtained DisplayMate's highest rating for quality, A+. We employed second-generation LTPO technology, allowing the display's refresh rate to intelligently adapt depending on what's on the screen. This is one of the first smartphones in the world to use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, the world's fastest Android processor, and we supercharged it with two innovations: the new GT Mode 3.0 and our stainless steel vapor cooling system Max.
With more than 20 innovations embodied into one product, we were able to venture into unexplored territory and push technology to new frontiers. And we're not done yet. We still have a long way to go, and many new paths to explore along our journey to inspire others to dare to leap and become greater than you see.
Fláajökull means sloping glacier. It's a small glacial tongue stretching down from Iceland's largest ice cap, Vatnajökull. The average thickness of the ice in Vatnajökull is 380 meters.
As a young brand, Realme shares the same values of sustainability with its Gen Z users. So this birthday, Realme invited me to take my GT2 Pro to capture the beauty of the glaciers and spotlight the issue of climate change to the world.
In the last century, flowerjökull has receded more than 2 kilometers, causing growing concern among locals that climate change will melt and destroy the glaciers in Iceland.
We all need to make an effort to help stop global warming, like the Realme GT2 Pro I'm using. I really like how the back feels like paper. It is made out of eco-friendly biopolymer material growing in a lab, reducing the carbon footprint of the smartphone. It is an innovative step towards sustainability, and we should all work together to make people realize that Earth is greater than you see.